I am pretty sure these people at this post office think I am absolutely nuts. Got to my post office box. Haven't been here in a while, but I got here today to check my mail. And I got some mail that put such a huge smile on my face. I haven't even opened it. But when I saw that it came from Vanilla Bean Kings, I already know what it is, and it's so awesome. Let me get home. Let me get home so I can open this up. So I made it back from the post office. I have my package. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it with you guys so we can see who prompted this gift. Let's get it open. All right. Ooh, Madagascar. Vanilla beans. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm gonna have so much fun. I am about to have so much fun. Ooh, these are gourmet. Grade A. Who sent me this? This is so awesome. Let me read this. Oh, this is so sweet. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. I use bourbon instead of vodka to make my extract. You guys are such an inspiration. God bless and enjoy. Daryl Jarvis. Thank you, Daryl Jarvis. I am so excited. And you know what? I don't drink, so I don't know a whole lot about different different types of liquors. I mean, I used to drink back in the day, and I remember everything was nasty. So to me, it all tasted the same. But as I started doing some research about making vanilla, I'm realizing I need to figure out what I'm gonna make it out of. I was thinking rum, but then I realized rum has its own flavor that'll probably take away from the vanilla. So then everybody else was telling me vodka. But you know what? I'm going to do what this gift tells me to do. So I'm going to have Lead Farmer give me some bourbon. And we are going to make some vanilla extract. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. You just don't know. You had me absolutely just giddy in the post office. I get to the post office. I'm just doing my routine, dropping off stuff. Decide to check my box. Open up. I see a package. Okay. But when I saw Vanilla Bean Kings, I was like, I already knew it was going to be some vanilla beans. I already knew. So I'm in there doing this crazy happy dance. And I'm sure people was like, okay. But I knew it had to be one from one of you awesome subscribers. So I just wanted to say, thank you. Thank you. Let's make some vanilla extracts. Let's make some vanilla extract. I can't wait.
So, some bourbon. Bourbon? Right? I got the hookup.
What?
Yeah, I brought the thing. I mean, I know if you're going to do this, I kind of figure you want to try the Remy first.
No, I just need the bourbon.
Well, I mean, if you're going to do it, you might want to try this first. This is rough. This is rough.
Hey, I'm making vanilla extract.
Oh, okay. Vanilla extract. That's what we call it now.
What?
I mean, you can call it whatever you want to. We call it vanilla extract. That's a little sexier anyway. We call it vanilla
I'm
extract.
making, these are beans. Somebody sent me some beans.
I know, magic beans.
No,
Let's
vanilla
do this.
beans.
So, I mean,
I made those glasses. I'm about to put in a jar.
we can drink out of a jar if you want to,
No,
baby. Whatever turn
I
you
just
want.
need the bourbon. You can
Now-
put those back.
You making me nervous because now, see, you
I
said
am
you don't
making-
drink, baby, and
I
that's
am making a food item. Food.
Food?
Flavoring?
like for cooking.
Yes. Listen, thank you, baby. I appreciate it.
You made me nervous. I thought you was gonna come in here and want to drink. If you're gonna drink for the first time, I didn't want you drinking no rock gut. I kind of at least wanted to just, romance the stone a little bit.
Make it vanilla extract.
Okay. All right, vanilla extract. Well, don't drink all
I
that.
don't need this.
The Remy?
I'll
I'll take
put
care of
this
it.
back when I'm done. In there.
Yeah.
You
That
can
vanilla
have that.
extract, when you done with that, you set that back right next to it. All right? Don't drink it all in one place.
What? All right, y'all. So, okay, I finally got my bourbon. Thank you again, Miss Daryl Jarvis. I'm going to get this cracking. I did look up a recipe. I mean, just because I kind of just wanted to see like the amounts. So the recipe I saw calls for 3 cups of this bourbon. So I'm going to get 3 cups, put into this jar, and then it says just split these open. So that's what I'm going to do. It sounds super simple. I've never opened up a vanilla bean. Maybe that's the difficult part, but this sounds super easy. And I'm wondering now, why am I just now making my first vanilla extract? Like, that's my most favoritist flavoring. And I can have myself a lifetime supply. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. I think that's perfectly 24 ounces. Oh yeah. Have you ever seen a vanilla bean before?
No, I can't say that I have.
You want to see some?
I heard you can get it from the grocery store. Come on, let Big Papa handle that. Come on now. You playing with little baby knives. You doing all this little stuff. There you go. There you go, baby.
Thank you, honey.
All right.
They gooey.
You need me to cut that a little bit more?
No, I'm gonna just pull it out like that. Oh man.
Let me smell it.
Okay.
That's incredible. I'm about to say it smells like vanilla, but it is literally vanilla.
It's kind of toasty.
Yeah.
Like a toasty vanilla.
Oh,
Oh
that is
man,
incredible.
I want to bite it. It's probably.
I don't think it's gonna taste well. You gonna bite it? What it taste like?
Don't taste like nothing. But I mean, I didn't open it. Maybe if I open it and see what's inside.
Yeah, scrape the goo. You need a knife again?
No,
You sure?
I like it.
It don't taste like it smell.
No.
No, honey. Taste it.
It's not bad to me.
I think I've had enough.
Okay, so I'm supposed to crack these all open though, so that I guess it can release the flavor. I kind of cracked this one. I just peeled it open, but that's all the flavoring right there. That smells so good. So I guess it's this paste inside that's got all the flavor. I think I'm gonna split them in half. Just put them in. jar is filling up. I got a few more to do, and then we'll get the lid on it. All right. All right, y'all, here's my first attempt at making my own vanilla. Well, my own vanilla extract. This one is made from bourbon. And I put all 10 beans in here with 3 cups of bourbon. I'm gonna put a label on it. I saw that it needs to sit for at least 8 weeks, but I'll probably let it sit longer. I'll probably give it a taste in 8 weeks just to see how it's doing. But we're gonna put today's date on here. All right, so my Madagascar beans are in the bourbon. I've got some Tahitian vanilla beans. We're gonna put in some vodka. You wanna donate some vodka?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. You wanna see how they getting in here?
Yeah, you need a knife?
No!
I got a couple of
I
them.
don't want your knife.
Okay.
I don't want that.
You sure?
I'm certain.
Look like you're struggling.
Oh, these smell different.
Let me smell it. I ain't tasting it though, okay? That last one. So we've been buying this expensive little vial of vanilla extract for half of a fortune. We could have been doing this like forever. As much as we use vanilla.
Yep. You just never think about things like that. Get in there, flavor.
Now, see, the reason I wanted you to do a vodka, because I actually want to see it turn brown.
Yeah, that's going to be dope. Okay, so I got a dilemma. I'm going to have to transfer this to a bigger jar because my lid won't fit. It's just slightly smaller. It's not the exact same as this I thought it was. So I'm just going to pour it. Hopefully I won't lose any flavor. All right. Go.
Perfect
Put
fit.
your home beans.
Flavor Town.
All right. So thanks again, Miss Daryl Jarvis, for these beans. I appreciate you. This is going to be the jar named after you. So thank you so very much for watching, y'all. Go make your own vanilla extract. Stop buying that stuff. All right now.